Okay, so if there's no questions, no doubts, we'll get into the next topic. Now the next says the messaging types. Now what are the different messaging types we have? For example, if we talk about your mobile, so we have that SMS, MMS, right? The similar way, even our network also have their own messaging types. So here we have three types of messages, like we have a unicast, multicast, and a broadcast. So unicast says it's 1:1. Now for an example, if I have a room which has 10 machines which is connected to a network, out of this 10 machines, I want to send my data to one particular machine. One particular machine, it's set to be as a unicast message. It's set to be as a unicast message. Now the multicast says the same message, I want to send it to 2 or more computers. I want to send the same message out of the 10 computers. I want to send the same message to 2 or more computers. Okay, we call them as a multicast. Now I want the same message. I want the same message to send. I want to send it to all the computers, or to all my 9 computers except the source. If out of system 1 is sending a data to all computers except that system 1, all the 9 machines, you want the message to be sent. So that could be a broadcast message. So these are the messaging types what we have. We call them as a unicast, multicast, and the broadcast. So I'll tell you once again, unicast is 1:1, where you want to send a message to a particular machine. So multicast is 2:2 or more, where you want to send the message to 2 or more computers. And the broadcast, okay, wherein you want to send a message to all your computers on the network. So we call them as a broadcast messages. Now when I go for the next topic, we have something called as a communication channels. We have something called as a communication channels. Like we have simplex, half duplex, and the full duplex. Now simplex says it's a one-way communication where source can only send the data to the destination, but destination will not be able to reply back to the source. I'm telling you once again, my simplex, it's a one-way communication where only the source will be able to send the data, but the destination will be only receiving the data, but destination cannot reply back to the source. A very good example for simplex will be